Guys, myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Engineers Competitive Training Academy. Today I'll be discussing about Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq. So we should remember that Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq is the founder of Tughlaq dynasty. He ruled between 1320 to 1325. Let us see what has been given in the slides. Ghazi Malik, also known as Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq of Khurana tribe, was the founder of Tughlaq dynasty. So this is one thing important. You should know every dynasty's founder as well as the last ruler. So in this, the founder of Tughlaq dynasty was the Ghazi Malik, is also known as Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq. Here he belongs to the tribe of Khurana, and he killed the Khusru Khan in 1320 and became the king. So we have to remember he had killed Khusru Khan and then he had become the king in 1320. He was a governor of Dipalpur, which is located in Punjab region, before coming to the power of as a sultan. So he was nominated by the Khusru Khan as the governor of Dipalpur, which is located in Punjab, prior coming to the power as sultan. So initially, as you can see, Ghiyasuddin was a Subedar of Punjab during the time of Qutbuddin Mubarak Shah and Nasruddin Khusro Khan. So we should remember he was a Subedar of Punjab, and during his time Mubarak Shah as well as Nasruddin Khusro Khan was contemporary to him. He was nominated to safeguard against the northwest frontier to check the invasion of Mongol. We should remember the Mongol were attacked from northwest frontier near about 29 times they have attacked, and he had defended successfully without any intruding into the territory. So we should remember from northwest frontier area the Mongol invasion was happened during that time, but the Ghiyasuddin was successful in checking the Mongols. In 1321, Juna Khan, that is son of Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq. We should remember in 1321, Juna Khan, that is son of Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq, invaded over Warangal, that is prior it used to call as Sultanpur, and Urugal was merged into the Delhi Sultanate. So we should remember he invaded over Sultanpur and merged into Delhi Sultanate in 1321 by Juna Khan. So these are very important, guys. Please have a look, and I request you guys to have a look in check playlist, and I request you to share it to your friends. More than 800 plus question papers have been given in it. Next we have the contemporary poet, that is Amir Khusro, wrote the biography of Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq. So here Ghiyasuddin Tughlaqnama also written by Amir Khusro. As you can see, he was regarded as the father of Qawwali, the devotional music of Sufis. So we should remember that Qawwali, that is devotional music of Sufis. As you can see to the right, he found tabla and sutar. He found the Gora Sanam tunes also. He constructed Tughlaqabad near to Delhi. As you can see, the Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq constructed Tughlaqabad near to Delhi, and as you can see to the right, whatever has been given in slide, he enriched the Hindustani classical music by introducing Persian and Arabic elements in it. He was the originator of the Khayal and Terana style of music. His contribution to the development of Ghazal, hitherto little used in India, is particularly significant. The invention of the tabla and sitar is also traditionally attributed to him. So you may be asked in exams who had found tabla and sitar, and who is also known as Indian parrot, that is Amir Khusro. He was a contemporary during the time of Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq. So next we have the Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq died in 1323, the collapse of the Victory Pavilion near Delhi. You should remember he had died by the collapse of the building. Juna Khan, that is Ulugh Khan, Muhammad bin Tughlaq, as you can call him as Muhammad bin Tughlaq, so constructed the Bhavya Mahal. So the son of the Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq is Juna Khan, and he is also known as Ulugh Khan and Muhammad bin Tughlaq. So he had constructed one Bhavya Mahal for his father. It's full of made of wood, but due to some natural calamity, it has been destroyed, and that Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq was died. As you can see, Morocco traveler Ibn Battuta, the Bhavya Mahal was collapsed and killed. So as per the Morocco traveler Ibn Battuta, he had told that the Bhavya Mahal was collapsed and killed. That is the incident of the death of the Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq. As you can see to the right of this figure, tomb of Ghiyasuddin is located at New Delhi. So this is the way how it looks like, the tomb of Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq. So I request you guys to call me on 7667302252 if you have any queries. If you want a PDF of 2100 concerning to GK and GS examinations, you can call me on mobile number or WhatsApp me by messaging. 2100 PDF will be given in a free of cost. Thank you guys. Have a good day. Have a great life.